Welcome to Textify. In this video, we will cover the most common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. From choosing the right chart to refining your prompts and using filters or follow-ups, we will share tips to help you get better and clearer insights with Textify. This session, we will be showing you the following: the most frequent pitfalls new users face, simple ways to avoid these errors, and tips to help you use Textify more effectively. Choosing the right chart is crucial to making your data easy to understand. For tracking changes over time, use line charts or area charts. To compare different categories, bar or column charts work best. If you want to show proportions, pie or donut charts are helpful. For data distribution or relationships, histogram and scatter plots are ideal. Picking the right chart helps your audience see the story clearly. Misinterpreting data happens when you overlook important details like chart titles, labels, units, or filters. Always check these carefully before drawing conclusion. Also, verify the source of your data to ensure it's reliable. Avoid jumping to conclusions too quickly. Use follow-up prompts to dig deeper and explore the full context. Charts that are too complex and colorful can confuse the viewers. Avoid using too many categories or colors and don't put multiple unrelated metrics into a single chart. Instead, focus on the most important information. When you have lots of data, break it into smaller charts. Filters and drill downs help you focus on the most relevant data and uncover hidden details. Always apply filters to narrow your view. Don't skip drill downs. Click into chart segments to explore the underlying data. Broad or vague prompts often give you results that aren't helpful. Be specific with your queries. This helps Textify deliver focused insights that are more useful. Also, experiment other prompts for better results. Long and complicated prompts that ask too many questions at once can confuse the AI and give poor results. Keep your prompts clear and concise by focusing on one topic at a time. Using only one version of a prompt limits your insights. Try different ways to phrase your questions, explore synonyms, and use follow-up prompts suggested by Textify. This helps you uncover new perspectives and deeper insights. Sometimes, charts have minor issues like missing data points or style details, but that doesn't mean you should discard them. Use Textify's editor to fix missing data, adjust colors, labels, and layouts. Follow-up prompts appear in the bottom search bar to guide your next step into data exploration. Use these suggestions to build a richer, more complete story from your data with minimal extra effort. Textify helps you avoid these common mistakes with smart features. Its AI suggests the best chart types based on your data. Every chart includes clear data descriptions and source info. Easy filters and drill downs let you focus on what matters. The interactive chart editor lets you customize visuals easily. Smart follow-up prompts helps you explore further, and the user-friendly interface makes everything simple, even if you're new. And that's it. By avoiding these common mistakes and using Textify's built-in features, you will get clearer insights and make your data exploration much easier. Thanks for watching.